To start using Synalyt, first you need to create an account. Enter your company name. Based on it, the system automatically creates your domain. Then add your name, email address and set a secure password. Once everything is filled out, click Register. After registration, you'll be redirected to the login page. Simply enter your email and password you created earlier. When you log in successfully, you will arrive at the main dashboard, the place where your marketing data begins to come to life. In the next video, we'll show you how to start working inside the system and connect your first advertising sources. Synalyt, track what really matters.